Hi grade 12s. In today's lesson we are going to look at how to use digital tools to find information for your PAT project. Okay, more information is available to us today than ever before, especially in digital format. You have the entire internet out there in digital format. We have digital encyclopedias, we have magazines and newspapers that are published on the internet. So there's lots of advantages in using a digital format to get your information. One of these is it's easy to obtain. You can get it via email, SMS, or portable storage device. You don't have to retype or rescan the data to use it, and it is more up to date. So, to get some sort of digital information for a PAT project, you can create an electronic questionnaire. And this can be done in Word by using forms with fields. Then you email it to your respondents. They are going to send it back to you via email so that you can use it in a spreadsheet. And then once you've created your spreadsheet, you are going to use functions and formulas to manipulate the data. And you are going to use graphs to illustrate the information that you found. So let's look at this case study. The school governing body wants to install Wi-Fi at school and do a tablet rollout to all the learners so they can use tablets, laptops, etc. with e-books instead of school books. And then they're also going to give the learners access to an educational portal with lots more resources. Your job is to find out how many learners have access to devices as mentioned above. So the first thing you would need to do, grade 12s, is create a questionnaire. Okay, and an electronic questionnaire. So you are going to create a questionnaire in Word, and you are going to use text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down lists. You can also use Google Docs to create a questionnaire. Okay, so once the respondents have filled in the questionnaire and they've emailed it back to you, you are going to use Excel to manipulate your data. So you'll collect your data, you will save your document as a text file. Then you're going to import the data into your spreadsheets, and data from a Google Docs can be saved directly into a spreadsheet. Then you are going to manipulate the data that you get using functions and formulas, and you're going to illustrate your findings with a chart. Now, once you've done your Excel, you can go on to using your database. So you're going to import your Excel into your database. And please remember, grade 12s, that you need to use appropriate field names and data types. And you need to provide data validation techniques. So you need to have validation rules, required fields, input masks, drop-down lists, and default values in your database. Once you've done that, you're going to use a query to extract specific information. And you are then going to create a report with functions to analyze your data. Once you've done that, you can then use Word to write a report on your findings. So in order to make your information more interesting and to back up anything that you find, you're going to copy and paste charts as a link to help illustrate the information that you find. You can copy and paste tables or queries from Access to substantiate the information that you find. And you can provide an automatic index from the references that you found. That can be generated automatically in Word. And grade 12, through all that, you will notice that we didn't print a single piece of paper. It was all done digitally. And that is the end of using digital information for your PAT project. Until I see you next time. Goodbye.